Today we're going to learn how to multiply mixed numbers. Okay, yesterday we learned how to change a mixed number into an improper fraction because you guys know that the rule is you have to have a fraction times a fraction. Well, neither one of these are a fraction, so we got to change them both. So if you remember yesterday, we put a times and a plus. So this would be 8 times 1 plus 1. This would be 9/8. Okay. Now the 2, we learned how to change a whole number. All we do is we put a 1 underneath it. Now once you've done that, now we can multiply top times top, bottom times bottom. So that's 18/8. And then if you divide that, since it's improper, 18 divided by 8, it goes in 2 times with 2 left over. However, 2 and 2/8 is not reduced. We can divide them both by 2. Okay, and that means our final answer would be 2 1/4. Okay, now if you remember, if we multiply something by something bigger than 1, we should get something larger, right? And if we multiply by something less than 1, we should get something smaller. So here, it gets larger at 2.5, or 2 1/4. Okay, let's try another one. How about 3/4 times 1 5/6? Now 3/4 is already a fraction, so we can leave it that way. Okay, but this one is not a fraction, so we have to fix it. So we make it a times and a plus. So 6 times 1 is 6, plus 5 is 11. 6. Okay, so when we multiply that, we get 33 24ths. And when you divide that, you guys would do it by longhand, but I'm going to do it by head since I don't have a lot of room here. 24 goes into 33 one time with 9 left over 24. Now this one's not reduced because 3 goes into both of them. So our final answer should be 1 3/8. Okay, notice again we multiplied by something bigger than 1, so our answer got bigger than 3/4. Okay, so when you multiply mixed numbers, you got to change them into improper fractions first. This one's already a fraction, so we didn't need to change it. And if you have a whole number, you have to put a 1 underneath it.